Okie dokie, we are going to do Corvette stuff today, so let's do it. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog game. Matty as always. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Today we're gonna take the Corvette to Ray's shop. And if you don't know, Ray, sometimes he has a lot of Corvettes, but he also has a nice Colorado. And he just told me that he did something with his Colorado, and we're going there to check on the oil leak on the vat. I'm gonna also share what's going on with the Corvette so we can find out. It's gonna be my first time looking underneath of the Corvette, but without further ado, cold start. What do you guys think of the lights? Super bright, but let's go. I'm late. I even got donuts for the boys. That's my LED lights, how bright it is. What do you guys think? It's bright, right? It's the fog lights on and the low beams. The high beams, it's like super yellow, doesn't really matter, but hey, I love it. And just like that, we are here. So if you ever need anything for Corvettes, Ray, it's the guy, and here is his Colorado. I got here. There he is. Ray, it's the man. What are you doing here?
Hey, Matty.
Ah, you're a student driver. I bought something for you. For you enjoy.
Dude, is it a stick?
Yeah, it is.
Leave it in neutral, turn off the emergency brake.
What kind of question was that? It's a stick. I'm a growing up, right?
You're a grown up now?
Yeah, I should drive a stick.
Hey.
I'm not Dave.
Hey.
Ah, you see?
Key tags are not just for keys, they're a fashion stick.
There we go.
Peter's row.
What have you been doing with your car? Show me.
Look over here. Look over here.
I saw, and that's what I want to mine. Oh, dude, it's gonna look sweet.
Okay, these are...
It's not painted, right?
No, powder coat.
Powder coat.
And these are C7.
Yeah, that's the one I want, though.
Yep, and then it's hard to find a powder coater who will do two colors. Look at the inner balance.
Oh, nice.
Because these are all silver.
Uh-huh.
So he did.
Those are the one you said you would buy for the guy from your club? Oh, gotcha.
Yes.
And I thought, like, I think Pete's gonna get the same thing. But for me to get that, I need the white body, so it's not gonna be anytime soon. I'm doing like small stuff to it.
This is perfect.
Yeah. I mean, I knew the car had some like stuff to do.
Right.
But that was the goal.
Come this way, guys.
What is that?
That's for you.
For me?
That's for you.
I come here and you give me a gift? It's for my son? Man.
Well, no.
Look at that! Look at that! Enjoy our life from... Thank you, man. I don't even know what it is. It's heavy, I can tell.
And for all you guys and girls out there, this is something every Brazilian needs.
Have it?
No, every Brazilian needs this, especially Matty. So pay attention.
A clock!
It's for your go-kart. One wheel.
There we go. Oh, there's even Matty's garage in there. Oh my God, thank you, Pete.
And look closely. I don't know if we can catch it on film. That's even Matty's smile.
There's my face here.
Yes.
Thank you, buddy.
Because Matty is always late.
And when you watch this, you're gonna see that I was late.
Yes.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're
That's
welcome.
Sweet. It for sure is going to my garage. Well, if you don't know, that's Pete's car, right?
Yes.
How long his car has been here? The entire winter?
Since before Halloween.
So he's doing a lot of stuff on it, right?
Yes, a lot of stuff.
I mean, the main thing I noticed, of course, is like the stripes you didn't have last year.
You've seen that.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah.
If you guys watch my channel, you probably saw that I show his car.
But last year, Corvette Town, that was not.
It wasn't.
As you can see, the bumper
He's off.
is loose.
Yeah.
That'll come off first thing in the morning.
What are you guys doing?
You don't know.
I didn't see it. I saw Ray explain to me what you want to do it, but I haven't seen it.
Okay.
Looks great.
The headlights are coming out.
You got the C7?
Yeah.
Ah, my boy.
Yeah.
The lights?
Oh, the lights are here.
I want to see it.
A whole order from Vet Lights.
Oh, the tail lights too?
Oh yeah.
There we go. The seat belt?
Seatbelt samples in color, which I got from Safety Restore Inc. in Massachusetts. And I
You know what is funny before we go ahead?
Okay.
Me and Dave, we were looking at the website yesterday.
You're kidding.
No, he's gonna get yellow and I'm gonna get red too. And I was looking at that one.
That would be good for you.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking this is going to be good for me.
Yeah, I think so. If I can, if I may, that's probably the best.
Yeah. So again, just trying to make our cars one of one because you couldn't get colored seat belts with our C6s.
I know. I tried to find it. They don't have it.
No.
Just one of the lights on. Exhaust tips.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Without the light, it's not as impressive.
Yeah.
I did those. Silica ceramic epoxy.
Wow.
Yeah. That's why, would make guess why you really can't see them. It's too dark, so I had to
Yeah, I was like, what am I looking at? But then when the lights are on, oh my God.
And then everything's blacked out behind it.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, the tail light.
There we go.
Nice. So all upgrades for the lights for Pete's car.
Yeah.
Nice. It's from the Vet Lights. This and you got the C7 ones.
You want me to...
Pretty much done. What are you gonna do after this? It's gonna look sick though. I can't wait to see it. It's almost done, right?
Yes. Yeah. For all intents and
Yeah.
purposes.
You wanna turn off the lights? So here's the first time I'm looking at underneath of my Vet, which is really bad. Yeah. It's leaking. So just to give you guys an idea, that's Ray's Corvette, that's Pete's, and he has a Z06 here too, which it's a nice one.
And at this garage, Team 512, we don't drink wine.
We have done it. Well, that's how it's looking like my oil pan. Not great, but we're gonna figure out what it is.
And then whether it's 10,000 miles, 60,000 miles, 100,000 miles later, a lot of bolts can be retorqued from expansion, contraction,
Gotcha.
heat, hot, cold, and then the gaskets will only expand so much again.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna torque those bolts to make sure. I hope it's that. Yeah, see?
That's years and years of buildup.
It doesn't build like
yeah.
If it does, it has a bad leak.
When you had trace here and here. So it very well front rear main seal slightly, but all the oil pan bolts, I was able to get a good 3 or 4 pounds back on them in torque. So let's see if that doesn't slow it down.
Yeah.
And stay with the Mobile One high mileage.
So basically it was the oil pan that we kind of went over. Ray torqued all the bolts there, and now I'm gonna watch what should be there. And I definitely need to replace the bracket for the radiator. But hey, step by step we're gonna get there. So here's the idea. I have your authorization for it.
Good, I'll help from sitting on the stool.
Look from here though. You can kind of have idea. Yeah, right?
And if you look from the front or the back, it looks like you're driving a dually. Let's see if Brazilians can roll tires, film, and talk at the same time.
I can talk in Portuguese, not English. That's too much for me. He's gonna donate those wheels for the Matt's garage. That's how it's gonna look like. Dude, so good. Oh man.
meet to the street.
Oh yeah.
So the car will handle a lot.
But the thing is, for me to fit those wheels, I need a wide body.
Yes.
And that wide body is gonna pretty much look like your car.
Correct.
And that's funny because I was telling Pete, I just spoke with Dave about it. All right, I'm leaving. Thank you, Ray, for your support. If you guys ever need anything Corvette, I'll leave the Ray's address and phone on the description below. The car so far, we don't have any major problems, but we're gonna still work on it, make it look better. So I'll go back home, and again, thank you so much, Ray. Thank you so much. We're gonna do more stuff here with Ray, and that Corvette needs to leave soon.
Be safe, and thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I do it because I love to do it.
Yeah, we're gonna do more stuff. He's here. I spoke with him. We're gonna do more stuff together, but for now, I'll go back to the garage and explain exactly. That's what I normally like to do. I like to explain exactly what happened, and I need to put in my seatbelt, just to make sure I explain it if anybody needs something like that or is going through the same stuff that I am. And I don't know if you guys heard Ray saying it's really easy to hit a deer here. I'll drive to the garage and then I'll talk to you guys. I don't want to take the risk of hitting a deer. Alright, just like that, we are back home. I hope you guys enjoyed what we did. We make sure that the oil pan, all the gasket, and all the bolts were 100%. That's basically, we clean it up. Now I'm gonna watch to see how that goes. You guys remember I had an oil leak kind of thing. And the other thing was a good idea. Ray gave me an idea to wrap the roof in red carbon fiber. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. You guys can see here I wrapped the roof in carbon because I had some carbon fiber left, but I'm not sure if I'll do that again, and it wasn't perfect. That's why that was a trial, but I like the idea of the red carbon fiber though. It's something different. I like to do different stuff. The rear wheels bearings needs to be replaced. I'll take there. That's a big job I cannot do by myself, but I'll definitely take to Ray. He's gonna take care of it. We also gonna lower the car a little bit. Those are the plans for now. And one thing I also need to do is to flush all the fluids, the trans fluid, the D fluid, the clutch, everything else. That's one thing I really need to do, and I'll get done. And I also gonna get with Ray with my truck so we can go over the lift kit. So a bunch of stuff coming. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about all these ideas. It's very important for me to hear you guys. Again, HardWorkForce. We might have something left, so make sure to check it out. I'll see you guys next upload. Thanks so much for watching. As always, enjoy your life and work hard for it.